Hello, today we will guide you through how to create a new invoice in GnuCash. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll be comfortable navigating the menus and creating a clean, accurate invoice for your customer. Start by opening the GnuCash app on your computer. If you're prompted to select a file, choose your existing company file so you're working in the right books. Give the app a moment to load your accounts and business features. Next, look toward the top left of the screen for the application menu bar. You'll see several menu titles going left to right. Find the one labeled Business. This is where GnuCash keeps all of its customer, vendor, and invoicing tools, so it's the hub for what we're about to do. Click the Business menu to expand it. As the list opens, move your mouse to the Customer section. Don't click yet. Just hover over Customer to reveal the related actions. A submenu will appear, showing options specific to customer management and billing. In that submenu, click New Invoice. This opens the invoice creation window, where you'll enter the details that make up your bill. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully. You'll typically start by selecting the customer you're invoicing. Make sure the correct billing address is shown, and confirm the invoice date and any terms such as net due days or discounts if those are relevant for your business. Now add your line items. For each product or service, provide a clear description, a quantity, and a unit price. If you track taxes, choose the appropriate tax table so the totals calculate correctly. Take a moment to verify the currency, especially if you work with international customers. As you add items, keep an eye on the subtotal, tax, and grand total fields to ensure everything looks right. Before you finalize, review every field for accuracy: customer selection, dates, line item details, and totals. Consistency here prevents confusion later and helps your customer pay you without delays. If the software offers notes or memo fields, you can include a short, professional message that clarifies the work performed or the billing period. When everything is complete, click OK to confirm. GnuCash will create the invoice based on the information you entered and display it for review. From here, you can proceed with your usual workflow, such as printing or exporting the invoice from the Windows standard options, depending on your needs. That's it. You've opened GnuCash, navigated to the Business menu, chosen customer, started a new invoice, followed the on-screen fields, and clicked OK to finish. Thanks for watching, and happy invoicing.